Every electric future begins beneath the Earth's surface. Raw elements are drawn with patience and precision. Strength and endurance are forged from metal and stone.
Lightweight power starts with refined aluminum.
Energy demands flawless conductivity.
Purity is verified before movement begins.
Every component enters a controlled journey. Traceability defines modern manufacturing.
The journey toward the Model Y has begun.
Raw materials travel long distances with exact timing. Every shipment is tracked, logged, and accountable.
Transport adapts without breaking the chain.
Security ensures consistency at scale. Efficiency extends beyond the factory walls. Momentum builds with every mile.
All paths converge at one destination.
Nothing enters without verification. Okay, Joe. Yeah.
Inside, transformation is ready to begin. Scale defines the first impression of modern manufacturing. Precision begins before the doors open. The boundary between outside and inside disappears. Materials flow without interruption. Everything moves along a planned path.
Data confirms what logistics delivers.
Each component knows where it belongs.
Human discipline supports machine accuracy.
Inside, raw potential prepares for refinement. Before transformation, materials must be purified. Unwanted elements are removed with precision. Even invisible contaminants are captured. Air and motion refine every surface. Light determines what machines cannot feel.
Each element follows its assigned role.
Human judgment still matters.
Purified inputs await transformation. The foundation is ready for change. Controlled flow ensures uniform results. Heat reshapes strength into form. Precision guides every degree. Scale and accuracy meet in a single strike. A structure is born in seconds. Temperature is reduced, integrity preserved. Only what is necessary remains. Accuracy is verified before assembly. Core components move closer to completion. Structure defines everything that follows.
Thousands of connections become one body.
Balance and rigidity are engineered together. Energy becomes part of the structure. Mobility begins before wheels touch ground. Power and control converge here. Stopping power is engineered, not assumed. Movement confirms integration.
Automation now takes the lead.
Automation prepares every surface equally.
Uniform coverage is achieved through precision.
Time and temperature finalize adhesion.
Color becomes identity.
Protection meets appearance. Finish is locked in place. Machines see what humans might miss. Consistency is engineered in millimeters. The vehicle is ready for refinement.
Now, the human experience takes shape.
Intelligence flows through every circuit. Control meets clarity. Comfort is engineered, not added. Transparency becomes structure. The cabin becomes personal. Form finally meets the ground. Completion is only the beginning.
Every vehicle earns approval, never assumes it.
Millimeters define excellence.
Light exposes the truth of surfaces.
Digital health is verified instantly.
Sealing is tested under pressure.
Control systems respond on command. Durability is challenged before delivery.
Responsibility ends with a signature.
Only verified vehicles move forward.
Every car leaves fully protected.
Precision extends to the very last inch. Cabins remain pristine until first delivery.
Flow continues from assembly to storage. Order and efficiency maximize space. The journey continues beyond factory walls. Distribution begins with the same care as assembly.
And this is how modern factories produce the Tesla Model Y from start to finish.
The story of innovation captured in motion.